The moon isn't just a rock in space. It's the leftover corpse of a planet that used to exist. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth wasn't alone. There was another planet in our neighborhood, roughly the size of Mars. Scientists call it Theia. Then, one day, Theia slammed into Earth. Not a graze, a full-on planet-shattering collision, tilted at an angle, moving tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. The impact was so violent, it melted both planets into a glowing ocean of molten rock. A massive ring of debris, vaporized rock and metal, was blasted into orbit around Earth. That debris ring didn't stay a ring for long. Gravity pulled it together, and within maybe a century, it had formed into a single object, the moon. Which means every time you look up at the moon, you're looking at pieces of a dead planet and pieces of ancient Earth fused together, floating 384,000 kilometers above your head.